Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever feel like your stuff, be it your car, your house, or even your favorite gadgets, is just waiting to break down and leave you in a pickle? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a money-saving superhero called preventive maintenance. It's not just a fancy term. It's your secret weapon against unexpected expenses and headaches. So, what exactly is preventive maintenance? Simply put, it's about taking care of your things before they become a problem. Think of it like a regular checkup at the doctor's. You don't wait until you're feeling terrible, right? You go in for checkups to catch any issues early on. Preventive maintenance does the same thing, but for your stuff. This means doing things like changing the oil in your car, cleaning your air conditioner filters, or even just regularly inspecting your appliances. Now, you might be thinking, sounds like extra work and expense. But trust me, it's the opposite. Let's talk about why preventive maintenance is a money saver. First off, it prevents costly repairs. Imagine your car's engine suddenly giving out. That's a huge bill, but if you're regularly changing the oil and checking for leaks, you're much less likely to end up with a major problem. Same goes for your house. Regular inspections can catch small leaks before they turn into major water damage. Secondly, preventive maintenance extends the lifespan of your belongings. A well-maintained car will last longer, a clean air conditioner will work more efficiently, and your appliances will keep chugging along for years to come. Think of it as an investment. You're paying a little now to avoid paying a lot later. Thirdly, it improves efficiency and saves you money on energy bills. A dirty air filter makes your AC work harder, meaning higher electricity bills. Keeping things clean and well maintained ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Finally, it can improve safety. Regularly checking your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and electrical systems can prevent dangerous situations. It gives you peace of mind. Okay, so how do you actually do preventive maintenance? Well, it's easier than you think. Start by making a schedule. You can find maintenance schedules for your car in the owner's manual or online. For your house, you can create a simple checklist. Write down what needs to be done, when, and how often. Then, set reminders. Put them in your calendar, on your phone, or anywhere you'll see them regularly. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're not comfortable doing certain maintenance tasks, hire a professional. It's worth it in the long run. In conclusion, preventive maintenance might seem like a small thing, but it has a big impact on your wallet and your peace of mind. By taking a little time and effort to care for your belongings, you're saving yourself from potentially huge expenses down the road. So, don't wait until something breaks down. Start implementing preventive maintenance today. You'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See ya next time.